Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pause your Huel subscription. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to use Huel, or maybe you have too much Huel. How do you actually go ahead and pause your Huel subscription? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log on to Huel, then you're going to click on this upper right hand corner and then click on My Subscriptions. Now once you click on My Subscriptions, you're going to see your active subscriptions, and so with that, you'll go ahead and actually pause the subscription. So go ahead and click on pause, and then here you could actually select a restart date. You could also select no restart date, meaning that you won't have a restart date in which he will start sending you more orders. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pause your subscription on Huel. The way that I normally do it as well is I'll actually go ahead and click on this toggle menu, and then what I'll do from here is that I'll actually edit the renewal date. So with the renewal date, you can change the date, or you can change the frequency as well and increase it from 10 weeks. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.